YouTube, what's good with y'all? Man, last video, someone said it was stolen because I didn't have my wipers on. So just for you, I got you. You know what I'm saying? My wiper had broke. I don't know if you can tell, but somewhere over here, like the rubber piece, it broke off. So I'm not trying to use it as much. I'm about to get it replaced, but enough of that. What's more important is my goddamn radar. I was at a car meet and me and all my boys, when we was leaving, I punched it. This bitch flew off. So yeah, if y'all want footage or if y'all want me to show y'all what it's like when we be going to car meets, or just some more maybe out of POV footage, just let me know. But yeah, it's cooked. It still worked though. But I'm not even gonna lie, that shit, that threw me off. This bitch flew down. Like when I tell you, all I didn't even do that much. I literally just, and this bitch shit, goddamn. But enough of that. I'm back with another calm little rainy day POV. If you liked the video, the last video, I think we did a 1K in 2 days. So if y'all want more of the rainy day POVs, man, talk to me in the comments. I want to know how y'all feel about it. Is the angle good? You know, we always obeying the speed limit. You know what I'm saying? 35 miles per hour, of course. Ignore that 30 mile per hour sign. But talk to me in the comments, man. I love talking to y'all. Let me know what kind of footage y'all want to see. Would y'all be down to see me going to car meets? Just say the word. If we get 2 likes on this video, I got y'all. You getting ready to swing that motherfucker. I almost broke the law just now. I was getting ready to slide this motherfucker, but my inner law-abiding citizen came out because, as you can see, we always have to obey traffic laws. I know some of y'all are tired of going to traffic court. Bump, god damn. On another note, on this channel, So far, I'm just doing a whole lot of POV content because I don't know what the hell else to post. But I do have another channel where I do want to make the content more like me and you focused, if that makes sense. What I mean by that is I want it to be more me engaging with the audience. Like, I had a couple ideas for videos, like types of people at car meets, the different type of cars you'll see. Not necessarily me going there in person, which we can do that too, but I want it to be more so me engaging with the audience more. Like, I feel like through these POVs, it's calm, it's cool. It's just more so like driving around, just chilling. You know what I'm saying? You can watch this, you relaxing, you vibing. But I want it to be more so IRL focused, if that makes sense. I want it to be like me more on camera. Y'all get to know me, I get to know y'all. That type of, you know what I'm saying? If you understand what I'm trying to say, if you understand what I'm trying to say, then yeah. But right now for this channel, I'm gonna try my best to stay more consistent with the POVs. And like I said, if y'all want to see more of maybe me getting out, walking around car meets, I'm not trying to be a vlogger in that sense, but just more footage for y'all can see, because I got some story times for y'all. Like, this ain't the only goddamn thing that broke me attending a group of hoodlums and thugs in fast cars in large areas. But nah, it'd be cool though.